Everyone, I'm going to show you guys how to fix the rear seat squeaks in the Model S refresh. I've been getting a ton of squeaks when I go over speed bumps or when I go on a ramp on an angle when the car is twisted. Now I have tried the simple fix with the electrical tape on here. I think you should try that first. Just wrap a couple of wraps of electrical tape around this end and then push the seat back. If that gets rid of your squeak, then that's fine. However, that wasn't my source of the problem. My source of the problem was actually right behind this bolster. So I'm gonna take it out. So what you're gonna do is just pull it really hard and then pull to the side, and then on the bottom you just kind of have to wiggle it out straight back. So what I did was, it's this it's this metal piece right here. If I get a screwdriver, you can see here there's a bit of a play, and it's this rubbing metal on metal is what's causing that squeak. So get yourself some WD-40, spray it on top of here and top of here. Get yourself a screwdriver and just wiggle the lubricant back and forth. Same on this side, wiggle it, do it on this side, and do it on the other side. Now this has gotten rid of basically 90% of all the squeaks. Now, I forgot, this likes to get stuck, so just get a flathead, push on the top, and this will come out. Let me see if I can do this with one hand. To install this back on, you don't just push it in, you have to pull out the thing on the side. You can see in the corner there's like a groove for it, so it's so hard with one hand. Slide that in. So to install this, you want to insert the bottom sort of needle looking thing, push it in, and then push it in. There you go. Now you can get the seatbelt out of the way and push this back. All right, give that a go and let me know if that helps you. I hate these seats. Apparently it happens on the 2021 refresh all the way up to even the 2026. So give that a go if you want to save yourself a trip to the service center. All right, thanks.